Today, I'm going to make this manipulation design in Canva very easily. First, go to canva.com. Take the size of 1080 pixels into 1080 pixels. First, go to Elements. Type Jungle. Import this. Make it as background. Now search for stone. Import this. And make this 30% blur. Go to Filters. Select Tundra and reduce the intensity to more than half. Adjust the stone to the picture. Make it duplicate several times and adjust the position. Lastly, duplicate and remove the blur. Search for the Lady Ferns PNG. Add this PNG and adjust the size and position. Now upload the product image. I will give the image link in the description box. Import the timeline and remove the background. Adjust the size and position. Go to Edit. Set contrast to 50. Clarity 30. And change the position of this tree backward. Go to the elements and search for Foggy. Add this. Adjust the size and position. And make it duplicate. Search for a shadow and add Like Me. Now select the background. Click to Fresco Filter and make the background 20% blurry. Now change the transparency to 60% for both fogs. Again, add another shadow. And you're done. I hope you like this video. If you like, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.